Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post a resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about application context in Spring Framework. What is application context in Spring Framework? I've written a simple code for a demo purpose. So application context is Spring's more advanced container. It is similar to Bean Factory, but it has some more features additional to Bean Factory. The application context can load bean definitions and it can wire beans together and dispense beans upon request. So it's going to read the XML file, understand the bean definitions, create the objects, and it's going to wire together and it will prepare all your dependent objects. Additionally, it has more functionalities, like it can resolve text messages from the property files and it can publish events to interested event listeners. Most commonly used application context are file system XML application context and class path XML application context. Both I have written. So file system application context and class path XML application context. So file system means it will search this XML file, spring module.xml file, from the file system, whereas class path, it will search the spring module from .xml file from the class path, Java class path. So let's start this demo. I will show you in the console how exactly it works, and let's see. I'm starting the debugging now. So this is the XML file I'm talking about. So this XML file has a bean definition with the ID and the corresponding class, the dependent objects class that I am asking Spring to create, and I am also asking Spring to set this property in my object that it's going to create. So this is my object and it will set this name and it will give me. Okay, so now our application is ready for debugging. So if you see this file system XML application context, whenever I execute this line of code, it's going to try to find out this XML file from the file system path. Okay, so let me debug this so that we can see in the console. Can you see here? Loading XML bean definitions from the file. Okay, so I'll be showing the same thing similar to the class path resource, the class path application context. Okay, so it's class path XML application context, but for file system it will be showing the it will try to get the XML file from the entire path. Okay, so it's trying to create the object. It has read the XML file, it is trying to create the object and it is going to set the name. Okay, so our object is ready now. Okay, our object is ready. I'm going to call this. So file system XML application context is ready now. It's done. We are going to start class path XML application context. Please check. The moment I say, can you see loading XML bean definitions from the class path resource? So that makes the difference. Whereas there, loading XML bean definitions from file, here it will say loading XML bean definitions from the class path resource. Okay. So actually speaking, there are two files here. One, this is class path XML application context is using, and this file is used by file system application context, XML application context. Okay, so our object is getting ready now. Yeah, our object is, we have got our object now. So this is the difference between file system application context and class path XML application context. One will read from the XML, one will read from the class path, and other one will read from the file system. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.